Hey lovely people, welcome back. Today we are going to explore the upgraded version of Ethereum called Ethereum 2.0 and the changes in it. I will tell you guys about everything you need to know about it, and will it break all records? So lock in. I will respond to all your queries. Before we head on to the video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you will be notified of all my future uploads. Also, follow our socials and you will be updated with the upcoming videos. So let's get started. Since the start of the crypto wave, Bitcoin has been the clear consensus choice, which has sat atop market capitalization charts from the earliest days. As the grandfather of all cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin blockchain is starting to show its age. It experiences a variety of real-world limitations. Looking to trade it in the race for predominance, an assortment of alternative blockchain executions have risen. However, up until this point, none have figured out how to catch any huge cut of the market. The one prominent exception is Ethereum, which has been a huge-scale contender to Bitcoin for quite a long time. As far as concerns its, however, further development than Bitcoin, Ethereum additionally experiences issues that it would have to defeat to accomplish market predominance. That is actually what the developers behind Ethereum desire to achieve with their upcoming upgrade of the underlying blockchain, which they are calling Ethereum 2.0. Now, let me give you guys a short overview on Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 is an upcoming set of upgrades to Ethereum that is planned to make it essentially quicker, more affordable, and more adaptable. As a component of the update, members might stake ETH tokens to help secure the network. In exchange for staking, members then, at that point, get awards on their staked ETH. Staked ETH can't be unstaked until Ethereum 2.0 completely launches, which numerous specialists estimate will occur somewhere in the range of 2022 and 2024. The primary purpose behind the redesign is to increase transactions throughout utilizing sharding for the network from the current of around 15 exchanges each second to up to a huge number of exchanges each second. When was Ethereum 2.0 launched? As of 2021, Ethereum 2.0 and Ethereum 1.0 exist one next to the other. However, the first blockchain will ultimately merge with the ETH2 blockchain. If you're an ETH holder, you will not need to do anything. Your property on the ETH 1.0 blockchain will consequently relocate to the ETH2 blockchain. The change to ETH2 started in December of 2020 and is scheduled to take about 2 years. Now, let us discuss the phases of Ethereum 2.0. Phases of Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 is intended to be launched in phases. The phases began from the end of 2020 and will go on until the summer of 2022. So, the first one we have is Phase 0. Phase 0, also called the Beacon Chain, was carried out in December 2020. The essential assignment of this stage was to deal with the registry of the validators who make the blocks on the Ethereum 2.0 network, and additionally laid structures for all future stages. Each validator addresses 32 ETH staked on the Beacon Chain. There are, as of now, 222,052 validators for a combined 7,105,596 ETH. The Ethereum Proof of Work chain keeps on running close by the new Ethereum POS chain, guaranteeing there is no break in information continuity. Next we have is Phase 1. The fundamental target of the Phase 1 update was to execute shard chains and rollups. Shard chains allow splitting exchange information across 64 blockchains inside the Ethereum network. With various chains cooperating at the same time, the data result could spread around to decrease the burden on the network. Phase 1 is relied upon to be released in mid-2022. It should be noticed the features of Phase 0 and Phase 1 won't work till the launch of Phase 1.5 and Phase 2. Up next we have Phase 1.5. Phase 1.5 is the band-aid between Phase 1 and Phase 2. This phase is also called the merge phase. The essential objective of this phase is to give a bridge to Ethereum 1.0 and Ethereum 2.0. The current Ethereum mainnet will soon merge with the proof-of-stake Beacon Chain. The converging of the two ecosystems is being alluded to as docking. The merger will include the docking of Ethereum 1.0 mainnet with the Beacon Chain, and afterward, the Ethereum 1.0 blockchain will become one of the 64 shard chains executed in Phase 1. Next we have is Phase 2. After the docking of Ethereum 2.0, Stage 2 will begin. It will start cross-shard interoperability and permit local decentralized application advancement on the network. Phase 2 will enable the network to deal with smart contracts and transactions. This will authoritatively change each shard chain in the network into a completely working mainnet. Now let's talk about changes in the Ethereum 2.0. Here's an overview of some changes that will come with the upgrade. So first we have is abandoning proof of work. Currently, Ethereum 1.0 runs on a consensus mechanism known as proof of work. POW depends on actual processing power and electricity to build blocks on the blockchain. To start solving that issue, Ethereum 2.0 will change its blockchain to a more proficient proof-of-stake system. In such a system, the node that records every exchange is picked by an algorithm, with chances of choice expanding with how much money the node's owner holds. Proof-of-stake is a redesign that empowers further developed security, versatility, and energy proficiency. The next one is introducing sharding. In another bid to develop Ethereum's effectiveness and capacity to scale, the approaching changes will likewise introduce a handling technique known as sharding. In the current blockchain variant, all information that is added to the chain needs to go through confirmation by every participating node. That implies that the processing speed of the whole system is restricted by the speed of its slowest member. By including sharding, Ethereum 2.0 can expand the efficiency of its asset utilization amazingly. The new system will achieve this by breaking data confirmation tasks among sets of nodes. That permits the entire blockchain to use parallel processing, which could increase overall capacity a few times over. Up next we have is eWASM to replace EVM. One of the highlights that we have made Ethereum such a suitable platform and a commendable challenger to Bitcoin's strength is its execution of what's known as Ethereum Virtual Machine EVM. The EVM is an execution environment that sudden spikes in demand for all network nodes facilitate the utilization of smart contracts. Even though EVM is broadly used, it remains something of a riddle in any event for individuals with a serious level of programming ability. To address this, Ethereum 2.0 will start the utilization of WebAssembly language in a system they're calling eWASM. That would make it conceivable to execute Ethereum application code right in the present internet browsers, which is a huge improvement over the EVM. Likewise, it will permit programmers to select from different languages like Rust, C, and C++ to compose code to run on the blockchain. eWASM will increase the number of potential programmers for the ecosystem because in this, users don't need to learn a native Ethereum-only language. You will surely think that what will change when Ethereum 2.0 is completed? Ethereum 2.0 will principally help the adaptability throughout and security of the Ethereum public mainnet. Ethereum 2.0 won't eliminate any of the information history, exchange records, or resource responsibility for the Ethereum 1.0 chain. 99.95% more energy efficient. Carl Beekhuizen at the Ethereum Foundation estimates proof of stake will never again require a country's worth of power to secure a network. More validators, more decentralization. Proof of stake decreases the specialized boundaries for anybody to stake and assist secure network. Improved security ensures the capacity to think twice about the network will be the extent more costly with proof of stake. Also, that a 51% attacker is recognizable with validator addresses and can be forked away from the network in case of an assault. $29 billion. A record high for Ethereum 2.0. While toward the finish of last year, there was 8.8 million ETH on the Beacon chain. There are currently 9.5 million ETH with a worth of more than $29 billion. This is almost 10% of all current ETH on the planet. The main increment happened in 2021 when they rose from 1.5 million to very nearly 9 million, yet this increment didn't stop at all in 2022 either. Regardless of the way that ETH locked on Ethereum 2.0 can no longer be utilized until the authority and final launch new protocol. Validators must additionally expand altogether from 275,000 toward the finish of 2021 to the current 294,000. Conclusion. So, Ethereum 2.0 will be a trusted system with far fewer versatility issues and a lot bigger list of capabilities than its essential rivals. The truth will surface eventually if the launch of the redesign will be the sign of a new blockchain period. Yet, the one conviction is that another day is dawning for Ethereum. Outro. So, this was my overview of Ethereum 2.0. What do you guys think? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!